Today we have a community resource fair where we have families coming in to get supplies that they need. The supplies are being donated by the Little Bit Foundation as well as our students in transition. And so what we have here today are female hygiene products, we have male products, we have water, we have snacks, we have mattresses, we have shoes, we have toilet tissue, anything a family needs, we have it here. We also will have a truck later on from Walmart that is going to also be donating some supplies. This is all to show that our families are being supported as a result of the tornado that took place on Friday.
It means everything. You have a lot of low-income families out here, and for this little disaster to hit unexpected, it means everything for an organization to open up doors to say, hey, we have this and we have that to help out. It means a big deal, a big deal.
I just want to say a huge thank you to all who have made this possible, and to let our St. Louis Public School families know that we stand with you, we love you, we know that it is going to take all of this and more to help you rebuild, but we want you to know that you have hope and faith and trust in your St. Louis family here in the St. Louis Public Schools.